Hi, it's Jake again. We all know how depressing this scene can be, and this time of year, it's usually an all too familiar one. Feeding hay can be one of the most expensive and time-consuming aspects of raising livestock. This time of year, it's always a good idea to take a little time to make a few decisions in your farming operation that can have a huge impact on your bottom line. I'm talking about pasture improvements. In a typical year, forage is a huge majority of your cattle diet, so best management practices like liming, fertilizing, inter and overseeding can create a huge impact on your amount of forage available as well as the quality of that forage. And with self-fed products like AccuRash and Block, this will result in a lower intake and supplement cost. The first thing you should do is sample your soil. Visit University Extension office to help with this. Sampling soil can save money because you only apply nutrients you need and avoid over-applying costly nutrients. We can read your soil test and help determine the proper ratio of nutrients for your soil. Richards Brothers uses ammonium nitrate as our nitrogen source because it is readily available to the plant when you spread it and is stable when compared to urea. Nitrogen from urea must be broken down and made available to plants by microbial activity. This form of nitrogen can also volatilize or turn into atmospheric gas rather than nourishing your plants, so urea works best when incorporated into the top layers of the soil to prevent costly nitrogen loss, making ammonium nitrate the better option for top dressing your fields. Overseeding legumes this spring like clover can benefit your pastures, increasing tonnage as well as soil health. Thin stands of grass can be interseeded with more seed to help increase the total yield of that field. Weed prevention can be incorporated into your fertilizer plan and enable you to prevent weed emergence and fertilize all at once, so you only drive across the field once and don't have to worry about it later. Whatever your pasture improvement plan is, remember this: it can take as little as $50 an acre to fertilize your pastures. With the drought we have had the past few seasons and forage in short supply, how much is hay worth? And how hard will it be to come by for next winter? Putting a little money back into your pastures can end up putting a lot of money back into your pockets in a year like this. I'm Jake Howdeshell with Richards Brothers Feed of West Plains, and we thank you for your business.